If it isn't yet, this deep-fried stuffing recipe is going to become a day after Thanksgiving must. What better way to use up leftovers than to batter and deep-fry them? Using cranberry sauce and gravy, two other leftover favorites as dips, make this appetizer to die for. To get started, we'll need to make a 3-step breading station. To the first shallow bowl, add a half cup of flour along with 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning and salt and pepper to taste. To the second shallow bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk. Into the third shallow bowl, combine 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs with a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now grab that leftover stuffing, about 2½ cups. Any kind will do: sausage, oyster, cornbread, or even box-made. Use a scoop to make 2 tablespoon-sized balls, rolling them in your hands to form together. Repeat with the remaining stuffing, making about 12 balls. Dredge each ball into the flour, shaking off excess. Then into the egg wash. And finally, into the crumb mixture to coat completely. Set these aside to allow the coating to adhere while you heat about 1 gallon of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for deep frying in a large heavy pot or deep fryer. Carefully lower 4 to 5 stuffing balls into the heated oil and fry until golden brown on all sides, about 4 minutes. Then drain on paper towels. Repeat with the remaining stuffing. Heat up some gravy and bring on the cranberry sauce. If you thought stuffing was boring, we'll wager that this dish changes your mind.